Okay, here's a real quick update of the 1958 Sea Fury that I found. I went ahead and cleaned it all out, took off all the hardware, the windshield, the steering wheel, the wiring, the steering cable, all that, so I could see exactly what I have. You can see I started to try to strip some of the paint off. I think it's kind of cold right now to even try that. The stripper didn't work very well. The paint's kind of thick. There's a lot of metal flake in it. But still not sure exactly what direction I'm going to head in this. But I'm kind of thinking, as far as for an engine, possibly putting a jet ski engine in it. So if anybody's got any ideas on that, I've seen it done on a few other videos, and I think it might be good for this. But next year, after I uncover it, because I'm going to cover it up just a little bit from now, and maybe do some more work in the spring, but we'll see. But looks a lot better than it did when I first brought it home with half a foot of mud in it. Actually, the hull looks pretty decent. Doesn't look like it has too many stress cracks. There is a little damage around the transom, but that shouldn't be that big of an issue. But there we go. Until next time.